Hello students, today we are going to discuss the strength of acids and bases. In this we are going to learn what are strong acids, weak acids, strong bases, weak bases. Strong acids. Acids that gives rise to more number of H plus ions are said to be strong acids. The acids which gives more number of H plus ions are said to be strong acids. Example HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Weak acids. Acids with number of H plus ions are said to be weak acid. Like acetic acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, formic acid. Strong base. Bases that gives rise to more number of OH minus ions are said to be strong base, like NaOH, KOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Weak bases. The bases that gives rise to less number of OH minus ions are said to be weak bases, like ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. They comes under weak bases. We know that acid-base indicator can be used to distinguish an acid and a base. Now, to distinguish the given acid is a strong acid or a weak acid, we use a pH scale. See, indicators are used to detect only acid or base. Now, in the acid which is strong acid or which is weak acid, or in a base which is a strong base or weak base, how to detect them? To detect them, we use a scale called as pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale, a scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. It is a scale that is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. On pH scale, we can measure pH from 0 to 14. That is very strong acid to very strong base. Okay. pH range starts from 0 to 14. pH of a neutral solution is 7. pH of a acidic solution is less than 7 and pH of the basic solution is more than 7. See here, I have drawn a pH scale. If I'll draw on a page, 0, 7, 14. 7 is for neutral and less than 7 shows the acid. Greater than 7 shows the base. So pH scale range from 0 to 14. 7 is for neutral substances, and from less than 7 it shows acid. It indicates the solutions are acid, and greater than 7 it indicates the solutions are base. So 0 and 3. The solutions which come under the range of 0 to 3 are strongly acidic, 3 to 5, 5 to 7 weakly acidic. Similarly, 7 to 10 weakly basic, 10 to 12 moderately basic, and 12 to 14 strongly basic. 7 is the neutral. It shows the acidic character increases from 7 to 0, and 7 to 14 it shows the basic character increases. What is pH paper? A universal indicator is a mixture of a number of indicators. pH paper is made up of an universal indicator, which is a mixture of a number of indicators. It shows different colors at different values of pH. So from 0 to 14, it shows different color for different values. To measure the pH of any solution, the paper strip with the universal indicator is used. The strip is called as pH paper. For strong acid, it shows dark red. For weak acid, it shows orange or yellow, for the neutral green, for the weak base blue, and for the strong base it is violet. Okay, these are the indication of the pH paper, that if it is a strong acid it's red, and if it is a strong base it is violet. Then role of pH in everyday life system. We know that HCl is produced in our stomach, which helps in the digestion of the food. When we take too much of spicy food, the amount of HCl produced increases beyond the required limit. This causes sharp pain and irritation in the stomach. It is called as acidity. It is cured by taking the medicines called antacid, like magnesium hydroxide, which is called as milk of magnesia, which is a weak base and it neutralizes. So excess acid which is produced in the stomach is called as acidity, and this can be cured by taking antacids. Next, tooth decay. Tooth decay caused by acids. The enamel of our teeth is the hardest substance in our body, and it is made up of calcium phosphate. If the pH in our mouth falls below 5.5, then the dissolution of calcium phosphate starts, that is, the tooth decay begins. Used in the mouth due to the degradation of the food particles or the sugar left in the mouth after eating. The saliva produced in the mouth neutralizes the acid produced in the mouth. However, the excess of acid has to be removed by cleaning the teeth with the toothpaste. These toothpaste are alkaline in nature and neutralizes the excess acid present in the mouth. So this is the pH of tooth decay. Next, self-defense of the animals and plants through the chemical welfare. When we are stung by an honeybee or a yellow ant or a nettle plant leaves, we feel pain and irritation. This is due to the acids, that is, the formic acid or the methanoic acid is injected into our skin by the honeybee or the yellow ant or the nettle leaves. So to get relief from this acid, we apply a solution of mild base like a baking soda. So to get relief, we apply the solution of mild base like baking soda. Next, in humans and animals, most of the reactions taking place in our body are in narrow pH range of 7 to 7.8. For example, human blood, tear or saliva have a pH nearly 7.4. If the pH falls below 7 or rises to 7.8, the survival of the living organisms become difficult. Similarly, when the pH of the rainwater falls below 5.6, that is, it becomes more acidic. It is called as acid rain. And when the acid rain flows into the river's water becomes acidic, that is, the survival of the aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. So this is the role of pH in our everyday life. It's an important question. So you have to learn all the 4 points. Next, in-text question of page 28. You have two solutions A and B. The pH of the solution A is 6 and the pH solution of the B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration, and which of these is acidic and which one is basic? So pH solution A is 6, that is, it's less than 7, and pH of the solution B is 8, that is, it is greater than 7. So A has more H plus ion concentration, so solution A is acidic and the solution B is basic. What effect does the concentration of H plus have on the acidic nature of the solution? Second question. What effect does the concentration of H plus have on the acidic nature of the solution? higher the concentration of H plus ion in the solution, more acidic is the solution. Next question. Do basic solution also have H plus ions? If yes, why are these basic? Basic also have H plus ions in addition to OH minus ion. They are basic because in this OH minus ion concentration is greater than H plus ion concentration. Next question. Under what soil conditions do you think a farmer would spread or treat the soil of his field with quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, or chalk, calcium carbonate? See, quicklime, that is calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, and calcium carbonate, they are basic in nature. So they would add this to the soil if the soil is highly acidic in nature. For healthy growth of the plant, the soil should neither be alkaline nor highly acidic. As a quicklime, slaked lime, or chalk are alkaline substance, these would be added to the soil by the farmers when the soil is high. So I'm going to stop my session here. Thank you.